In this video we will see how to fix if iPhone not vibrating on your iPhone. Here are the fixes. The first one is tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and look for the option sounds and haptics. Tap on it. Here scroll down and under ringtone and alerts make sure that slider is extreme right. Thereafter scroll down and make sure that system haptics is enabled, turned on. The another one is tap on haptics and make sure that it is set as always play or play in silent mode. So you must ensure that this two feature is enabled on your iPhone. The next one is if you are still your iPhone not receiving vibration, then swipe down your iPhone and tap on focus. Here go to do not disturb, tap on settings and make sure that do not disturb mode is not enabled. If you found it in enabled mode, then disable do not disturb mode on your iPhone. The next fixes is again tap on settings of your iPhone, scroll down and tap on general settings. Here tap on software update and if any update iOS update available, simply download and install it in your iPhone. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of various type of features not working properly, so you must update your iOS. The next one is again tap on settings, go to general settings, scroll down and here look for the option transfer or reset. At the bottom of the page tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset again. Here tap on reset all settings, tap on it and follow on a screen instruction to complete the resetting process of your iPhone. That's all.